So today we're on a hike out here at Mccormick's Creek again, and we had snow. We had about 7 inches of snow about 6-7 days ago. Well, today it's 48 degrees and everything has started to melt. So we're out on a hike to see what's happened. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. And there you can see all the ice because it's been cold. And the icicles. So now that we looked at the falls, we're going to walk down into the canyon and see what that's like. So to get down into this canyon to Mccormick's Creek, you get on these old steps. They were made by CCC, yet again. I talk about it all the time because it's true. We both have Yaks tracks on. See, there's mine. That's helping a little bit if you think this looks like crazy ice. So we came from down there and we came down here and now we go down here. Oh, that turns into ice. Well, the second set of stairs are pure ice. So we think we're going to turn around and go down a different way perhaps. So we've gone the other way down to the creek. We're going to go down the stairs here. If you look there to your left, you see a little warming hut made by the CCC. I don't think it's not really a warming hut, but maybe a little place that you'd stop with your family to have a little picnic or something. Just a little shelter. We're going to go down these stairs here. They look less icy. We'll see how it goes. Here comes Jeremiah. Let's see how he does on the steps. I didn't think it was too bad. This is much better than the other way we were going. How is it?
It's great. I got yak spikes on. Yak tracks.
Now here we are closer to the shelter. When I was little, you can see this stone wall here. It used to have a stairway that went, I remember a stairway going straight up this hill, up there, and you could exit the trail up there, but I've always wondered if I'm wrong about that because I've also seen evidence that this wall came straight across here. If you see right there, when there's not a lot of snow, you can see that's an old man-made wall. And so I thought maybe that used to come and there was a stone bridge going across right there that these wooden steps replaced. So maybe it did that too. Where did Jeremiah go? He's down there by the creek already. I'll show you the inside of this shelter. I love these things. See, there's a bench to sit and rest. I always wonder, so the CCC boys, or whoever told them what to make, they were building things that they thought people would want back then. So I like to think about how our culture has changed. And maybe they thought, and it was probably true, they thought people would really love to have this little structure here to hang out. Now, the sad thing is, I've been coming here my whole life, and I don't really remember anybody hanging out in here. Maybe when I was a kid in the 70s, I saw people kind of chatting it up in there, having a few snacks, but I don't really know. It sounds familiar, but I can't say I remember anybody ever hanging out in there. But I can see, I think in the 1930s, people used outdoor spaces a lot more for doing family time. Well, here's a stream crossing. I have somewhat waterproof shoes on. Ooh, that broke. Oh, this isn't stable at all. Where did you cross?
Right there.
Oh, you crossed there? This whole thing is like an ice sheet with water under it.
Looks like some infiltrators.
Oh, whew. Well, we might have reached our stopping point. The thing is that that ice doesn't look stable, and there's a gap of like inches between it and the water, so it's not even as simple as you're stepping in the water.
It might be stuck.
Isn't that beautiful? Well, we're heading back up now, but you can see down there, that's where we had to stop, right there. And we really want to come back sometime when it's cold and snowy again, because this has been really beautiful, but it just needs to be a colder day. Everything is melting today because it's 50 degrees. So we're hoping if we have another day, some more wintry days before spring comes, we want to come back and do this walk again. But for now, we're heading back to the car, and we might drive to another little walking location, or we might go home. We haven't decided yet.